So I chose my A value is 9, my B value is 30, and my C value is 8, and my D value, that's a 4. My bad airing sucks, but it's a 4. So my conics are x minus 9 over 30 squared plus y plus 8 over 4 squared equals 1, which equals x plus 4 over 9 squared minus y plus 8 over 4 squared. And I was able to set them equal to each other because they're both equal to 1, because that's all conics are. So to start to solve and define these intersection points, there are 4 I checked on Desmos. I'm going to start with substitution. So I'll substitute right here y plus 8 over 4 squared equals 1 minus x minus 9 over 30 squared, because both equations have this term in it. So I'll plug that in and I'll have 1 equals x plus 4 over 9 squared minus 1 minus x minus 9 over 30 squared. So the reason I am substituting is because I only deal with one variable. So after some basic algebra and some solving and graphing, I will get x equals negative 14.581 or 8.728. Now I got those just from solving, simplifying, and graphing, just basic algebra that requires effort and work. Alright, to find the y value of those points, we can just plug in these x values. So I'll start with 8.728. I plug that in right here to this equation. And then the x term kind of cancels out because of just how the solving plays out. And I get y, and I get y plus 8 over 4 squared equals 1. And after solving there, I get y equals negative 4 and negative 12. So two of my points are negative 8. Two of my points are not negative. Don't know why I wrote negative there. But 8.728 and negative 4 and 8.728 and negative 12. Now to get the other 2 points involved, I had to plug in negative 14 into this equation. So I do that and solve again as well. This doesn't cancel out as well this time. So bring that over, solve and bring this over, and that's 0.332 equals y plus 8 4 squared. And after I simplify and solve that, I get negative 10.472 and negative 5.528, and my other last 2 points are negative 4.258 and negative 4.581, negative 10.472, and negative 14.581 and negative 5.528. And to prove this works, here's the graph on Desmos. As you can see, the points are right where I said they were. So yeah, math.